In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the rear sway bar links on this BMW X5. These are going to be located in the rear above the lower control arm. Let's get into it. I'm just going to use a wire brush, just clean up some of the threads. It's a little rusty. You can do the same to the top threads. Just make it a little easier to remove. And I'll use a little rust penetrant. Soak that down. I'm going to use an 18mm socket. Loosen that up. Now the stud is spinning, so we want to hold the stud from spinning while we take the nut off. Now we're going to use a 18mm wrench and a T40 socket. And just take the nut off. If it's really stuck on there, you could heat it up if you need to. There we go. Take that nut off. And I'll do the same on the top one. Use a 18mm wrench. I'm going to loosen this up first. Again, the stud is spinning. You can also use some locking pliers on the back side to hold the stud from spinning. Sometimes that's easier than trying to get the socket in there. And you can use a ratchet wrench if you have one. That off. Take the locking pliers off. Grab the link, you can pull that out and pull it up. Take the new link, go through the control arm and through the sway bar. And get the nut started. I'll use the 18mm ratchet wrench to get it on. And we can use a 5mm hex socket to hold the stud from spinning. And once we go to tighten it, we'll just use a regular wrench. Tighten that down. All right, that's tight. Now we're going to torque that nut to 74 foot-pounds. All right, that's good. Now the bottom nut, we're going to do the same. 18mm ratchet wrench, 5mm hex socket. Tighten this up. And use a wrench to get it a little tighter. Now we'll torque this nut to 74 foot-pounds.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.